Just 2 days into my Nepal adventure, I was filming some pigeons and the bird's wing knocked over my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera and cracked the glass. Hi, Pete Miller here for Asia Focus. Well, it didn't take me long to realise that my action camera is tough, but can still suffer from accidents. And here is a scene I was filming at a famous supta in Kathmandu, that's the hat. The action camera was on a low tripod, and as the birds took flight, the camera fell over, smashing the glass. But luckily, I had installed a glass lens cover on the front and the back screens, and that saved the day. This is what got smashed up. And this whole system was only $20, and I bought it online just before I left, and it instantly proved its worth. Unfortunately, however, here in Kathmandu there are no camera stores selling DJI equipment, so I can't buy a replacement before we head off into the wilderness tomorrow for the next 3 months. Stay tuned to see what adventure happens next.